Hi Pisces, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of April 2021. Let's see what are the messages that await you. For Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Oopsie. The Three of Wands in reverse. The wait is over, Pisces. Amazing. The wait is over. Two of Swords. Lately, you've been feeling a little indecisive about things, people. I think there are two choices that you need to make. I mean, you need to make a choice between two people, two things, two aspects, two places, anything that is dual. Pisces. Eight of Swords. Okay, this choice that you need to make is keeping you trapped. But one good news about this is all this. Okay, so this trap exists only in your mind, only in your head. You know the answer already, just be patient with yourself. Because the wait is over. And if you've been feeling trapped and indecisive, rest assured it's not going to last for very long. Nine of Cups. Pisces, this is a wish fulfillment reading. Make a wish and it will be granted. I'm so happy for you, Pisces. Seven of Wands. You may feel at war with yourself or with your loved ones, colleagues, people you deal with on a daily basis. Sometimes people don't resonate our opinions, and that can be a little taxing. Yes, I can feel some kind of stress in my throat chakra, and I just hope and pray that the struggle goes away soon. Of course, it will. You're going to be getting some kind of closure, Pisces, and this closure will bring about a beautiful new beginning. Trust me. Okay, the Chariot card. You could be dealing with a Cancer person or relocating to a new place, workspace, or mentally moving on from something that doesn't serve you anymore. You're moving towards prosperity, Pisces. Let me tell you that much, at least. Messages for my Pisces friends. Yes, definitely new beginnings when it comes to work and prosperity, health, family. You could be buying a new house for some of you. Yes, you could be expecting a baby or expanding your family or moving into a place filled with people who you call your family. Some good news is coming your way, a new job offer, a loan sanction. Wow, this card, Seven of Wands once again. If you feel at odds with people, I think you need to just stay away from them till you feel better, Pisces, because I don't see a solution to this right now. Oh wow, a union, Pisces. You could be dealing with a Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio person. Just be careful about your emotions. Don't approach anything with any kind of negativity. Just probably you are dealing with people who are opposing this union, but I see happy endings, so don't worry about it. Messages for my Pisces friends. Wheel of Fortune. Amazing. Tides are turning in your favor, Pisces. You have nothing to worry about, really. Good things are coming your way. Just be patient. Seven of water. Everything will happen at the same time. Money, job, family, relationships, everything is going to happen at the same time. You might feel a little overwhelmed, but don't worry. It's change. It's happening. Things are moving. Some extra messages for my Pisces friends. Don't let the past hold you back. Adjustments are required. Prosperity lies ahead. Your commitment is being tested. Meditate and contemplate. This is your energy, Pisces. You need to ground yourself. The energy is gaining momentum and a time for healing. Signs present here are Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini. Pisces, I'd like to dedicate this beautiful jade stone to you so that you get the peace and the calmness that you truly deserve at this point in time. And I hope and pray that the remaining months of 2021 treat you with utmost love, kindness, and respect and give you a million reasons to smile. Thank you for watching, Pisces. Bye.